Hello kids, welcome to our math class for today. Today we'll complete lesson 10 of your Common Core Grade 2 Module 4 workbook. We will practice how to use matrix to represent the composition when adding a 2-digit to a 3-digit addend. So if you have 2-digit numbers and another 3-digit numbers and you want to add them together, how can you use matrix to represent composition? Let us first look at this application problem. Moses sold 24 raffle tickets on Monday and 4 fewer tickets on Tuesday. How many tickets did he sell in all on both days? This question demands that we first know how many he sold on Tuesday. On Monday, we were told that he sold 24 raffle tickets. But on Tuesday, he sold 4 fewer than 24. And what is 4 fewer than 24? If you look at my drawing, the tape diagram will tell you what is 4 fewer. If you remove 4 from 24, you have 20. So on Monday, he sold 24, and we now know that on Tuesday, he sold 20. So here's a question. How many tickets did he sell in all on both Monday and Tuesday? It's simple. Add the total of raffle tickets sold on Monday to that sold on Tuesday. You get the answer. So on Monday we had 24, and on Tuesday we have 20. If you use arrow way, 24 plus 20, very simple. 44. Mental maths, very simple. 44. That's the answer. So the main issue here is to understand the question, and once you understand the question, it's very easy to answer the question. Use tape diagram, draw it the way you understand the question, and then you'll be able to solve it. Let us practice subtraction of numbers by making it 10. The procedure here is very simple. When you have two numbers to subtract and it's difficult for you, make it 10. Add the same number to both sides. That will make one of them a 10, and then it will be easy for you to subtract. Look at this question. 52 minus 39. Now, how many more ones does 39 need to make a 10? It's 1. So add 1 to 39, it becomes 40. And add 1 to 52, it becomes 53. So our new sentence will be 53 minus 40. That becomes easy to solve, isn't it? 13. If I give you another one, can you solve it? Alright, look at this one. 37 minus 19. Think of the number that is closest to a 10 and make it a 10. So 19 is closest to a 10. How many more do you need to make 19 a 10? You need 1. So add 1 to both numbers. 37 plus 1 is 38, and 19 plus 1 is 20. What is 38 minus 20? Very simple. 18. Here's another one. 29 minus 23. Okay, this is 29 plus 23. In this one, the rule is different. The rule is look for the number that is closest to a 10. Make it a 10 by taking from the second number the ones you need to make the 10. So 29 plus 23, I need 1 to make 29, 30. I'll collect that 1 from 23. And if I take 1 from 23, it will remain 22. So my new sentence will be 30 plus 22. You get your answer, 52. And it is true. 29 plus 23 is 52. Can you solve this one again? Look at the next one. 38 plus 19. So let's look at 38 plus 19. I would take 1 from 38 to make 19 a 10. Then the next 10 is closest to a 10. 37 plus 20 is 57. 37 plus 20 is 57. That's our new number sentence. Now solve this subtraction. Do you still remember the rule? Make a 10 by adding the same number to both sides. To make it 10, 19 is closest. To make it 10 there, I have to add 1. So 1 plus 32 is 33, minus 1 plus 19, that is 20. So my new sentence will be 33 minus 20 equals 13. Very simple. 24 minus 19, the same thing. My new sentence will be 25 minus 20 equals 5. 34 plus 19, can you solve this one? Remember the rule? 19 is closest to a 10, so I'll take 1 from 34 to make 19 20. So my new sentence will be 33 plus 20 equals 53. Alright, you're going to complete your sprint for me. Subtraction sentences. 11 minus 10, what will you get? 12 minus 10, questions like that. See how many you can get correct. Let us continue practicing our chip model with the hundreds place value chart. Then you will show the vertical form of the question. Our first question, you are to add 147 to 26. That is 147 plus 26. In the vertical form, look at how I've written it. 147 plus 26. So draw the chips. 1 in the hundreds place, 4 in the tens place, and 7 chips in the ones place. For 26, 2 in the tens place, and then 6 chips in the ones place. Let us add and see if we can bundle. When I checked, I saw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12 chips in one's place. That means I can bundle. I can compose a 10 and left with 2. That means 7 plus. Let me say I compose and I'm left with 3. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. And left with 3. That means 7 plus 6 is 13. I write down the 3 and leave out the 1 because I'm going to take that 1 to the tens place. In the tens place now, I now have 1 plus 4, 5, plus another 2, 7. And then the 1 in the hundreds place. The answer is 173. Here's another one. 106 plus 35. What would be the answer? 6 chips plus 5 chips in the ones place gives me 11 chips. I'll write down the 1 and then compose a 10. 1 plus 3 is 4 tenths, and I have my 100. 141 is the answer. Let us compose 109. 109 means 1 chip in the hundreds position, nothing in the tens, and then 9 chips in the ones position. 81 means 8 chips in the tens position and 1 in the ones position. So all the chips in the ones position are 10. I can compose a 10 and move it to the tens place. So in the ones place I have 0. 9 plus 1 is 10. I'll write down the 0 and then compose a 10. 1 plus 8, 1 10 plus 8 tenths is 9 tenths. And I write down my 1 in the hundreds position. So I have 190. Here's another one. 117 plus 48. 1 chip in the hundreds place, 1 chip in the tens place, 7 chips in the ones place. 48, 4 chips in the tens place and 8 chips in the ones position. When I check my ones position, I have 15 chips. That means I can make a 10 and be left with 5. It's true. 7 plus 8 is 15. Now rather than 5, make it 10. So 1 plus 1 is 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 tens now. And my 1 in the hundreds position, 165. Alright, so here are the ones you will solve for me. Draw chips and then write down your answers. Bring your work to class. Bye.